The front half of the week. Let's go ahead and change the gears. It's your time for your Sunday Science Tidbit. You know, the 10-year anniversary of Hurricane Katrina was yesterday. So today we're going to take a look back at the 2005 hurricane season. There were 28 named storms for that season, 15 of which became hurricanes. Now there are 21 designated names a year, so since there were so many, 6 of them actually took Greek names, and this was the first time in the records that we've ever had to use Greek names, and on top of that, 5 of those names were retired. 4 of those hurricanes reached that Category 5 status, which is the top of the Saffir-Simpson scale, and Hurricane Emily was the earliest Category 5 on record for the Atlantic Basin. Now here's a fact for you. From the first advisory for Arlene to the last advisory for Zeta, it was 213 days, and it was actually the latest end to hurricane season, ending in January of 2006. So imagine having to deal with hurricane season all the way through January. That's something definitely unusual. Now, Hurricane Katrina was the costliest storm on record, exceeding $100 billion. That nearly doubled the record set by Hurricane Andrew in 1992. And Hurricane Wilma was one of the strongest hurricanes on record, with pressures bottoming out at 882 millibars. The lower the pressure you get, the stronger the hurricane. So why was it so active? Basically, you had humid air, you had warm ocean waters, you had a lack of wind shear. Basically, everything that could come together came together that year, and that's why it was so active. And that's one reason why I'm so glad we've got wind shear in the atmosphere this year that really tore apart Danny and Erica. You know, so some good factors in place for this year to at least keep things a little bit calmer.
But the perfect storm there, and I can't believe that hurricane season, you know, you had to worry about it on Christmas, you had to worry about it on New Year's.
That's tiring. That's for us and the viewers.
Yeah, that's a lot going on.
That's
a lot of plans put on hold there.
For sure. You're supposed to be thinking about snow, not hurricanes.
Exactly. That's crazy. Thank you so much, Candice. All right, coming up on